Yo YouTube, what's back? Welcome to welcome back to another video. It's me, Jacob, on your screen for another time, bro. Today we're going to Verona, play at Giant. It's gonna be sick. I got the KWA Eve 9. It's gonna be crazy. I've never played with 11.1 before, so it's gonna be like a whole life-changing thing. When I get there, I'm gonna adjust my scope as fast as I can. But besides that, we're on our way to get gas right now because I got like no gas in my car, so I need to stay on top of that more often. But hey man, I'm lazy. Like, someone needs to do my laundry, someone needs to keep gas in my car. Come on, bro. Volunteers in the comments, feel free. But yeah, I'm gonna cut to when we're at the gas station because we're almost there already. So look, we're like one light away. Oh, we're like one light away. Here you go. Thanks. Yeah, of course. Also guys, if you guys didn't know, gas on Indian reservations are way cheaper than the gas that we pay for here. I only put like 15 bucks in because I plan on filling up over there because it's way more worth your money. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there, and hopefully we have fun today. So if you guys are new, hit the subscribe button, hit a like, maybe comment, bro. I want to know what you're thinking, and yeah, let's get it. Yeah guys, so we just pulled up to Verona. It's fucking packed today, bro. Holy shit. I got a spot in the front. It's kind of skinny, but it'll have to do, bro, because it's like no space here right now. Oh my god, I didn't even know it could get this packed, to be honest. I've been going here for the past 2 weeks, and I guess everyone wants to come airsofting today, so I mean, whatever. I'm gonna go try to meet up with Taylor right now. I'm gonna get all my stuff out, and then I'll just see you when I'm on the field, I guess. So wish me luck. Oh, look how good this looks, bro. Just like, this gun just feels so nice. And it just fucking like...
Yo, should we just go to...
Huh?
Should we just go to Vietnam?
Are you on the bands or are you no band?
No bands.
Oh shit, you're fucked then. I'm gonna get you first.
No.
No, you're... Bro, listen to this. This is gonna go right in between your eyes, right here.
Oh, put your eye pro on! The ref just said it 3 times. Ooh.
Oh shit.
No.
Oh what?
You suck dick, ref.
Ref, I can't hear you. Ref game is zombie.
You suck dick, ref. Let's not play that.
You shut up, short king.
I will pull out of you right now.
But he's the king.
Hey, he's not wrong.
Crossing, behind you, behind. Damn, bro. You're a skilled ref. Look at that, bro. Look at this guy, bro. You should have the GoPro, not me. What the fuck? Bro, you're playing fucking Call of Duty.
I know.
Finally, guys, out. Fuck.
I'm not seeing anyone.
We definitely got them like pinned, but they're kind of advancing on the right.
Call 5 minutes in a minute. Hey. I can't read shit with this thing, bro.
You wanna try this shit?
Nah, I think I'm good.
Now one going into the creek, one going into the creek.
Oh, he's still peeking.
I think we need to move castle.
1 sec.
Move forward.
Hey, we got some moving over there. I got two. Rush that side. Hit clear out that side.
Okay, sure.
You want to do it?
Yeah, I'm done.
Ready?
Yeah.
Follow me. Straight out. Straight out from our cut.
Right here.
In the doorway. To the left of the
Where they at? You see him? Left side, bush. Is anyone in the castle? Do you see anyone that way? God, is
We're at the end of the left side wall. There's a muzzle.
right there? God, is that? Yo guys, so we finished up the day today, bro. I showed you guys that one good game because honestly my other games were trash, bro. My battery kept dying and all that stuff. But yeah, we got Taylor right here, bro, and we're gonna finish off the day right now. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, bro, all that shit. And I'll be back at it next week with another banger, bro. So yeah, peace.